welcome back to my channel. My name is Charmaine and we are going to do another spring look. I'm going to be using the Cara Duo palette, and this is the You Had Me at Aloha. And I believe this was from like a TJ Maxx Marshalls haul previously. So we're going to try to stick with some of these spring shades here. And we're going to go ahead and just get into this look. Since I'm kind of wearing like a I guess this is like a bluish purple shirt, like a, I don't know what color this is. Let me see if I can find. I think I'm gonna stick with like this color here and maybe this color. So we're gonna go ahead and take the color Lavender Sky, which is this purple shade here, and start that off on the inner part of our eye. If you watched my spring look with yellow, we're doing kind of like the similar idea there, except for we're just changing up the colors. It is now starting to get warm here in Vegas. They said it's going to be 83 degrees, I believe, today. So almost time to be able to get in the pool. I'm not getting the pool until it's like probably somewhere in the 90s, because I still get a little bit chilly when it's in the 80s, especially like the low 80s. So it's not yet hot enough for me to want to swim. Okay, and I'm just packing that shade on and taking it almost all the way across my lid. I'm kind of stopping right here. I want this purple to really show. All right, now we're gonna go ahead and get this blue shade, which was Jean Shorts, this one, and we're going to take that on the outer edge of our eye and blend it forward into Lavender Skies. Thought I'd share the hair that I'm wearing is Camilla, and I got her in DRFF4 Strawberry Gold, so she looks like that. And this is the hair that I have on today. This is my first time wearing her. She was soft, but not as soft as the other hair that I had on, that blonde hair, which was Jaylani. She's not as soft as that hair. She feels like she has a little bit of texture, but she's still soft. So far, I just put her on. I don't have an opinion yet. I haven't had any tangling though, so. Okay, and I'm just blending the blue with the purple. So Jean Shorts blending in with Lavender Skies. And these palettes do have like a good size mirror. I don't know why I'm not using the mirror. I'm trying to make sure you guys can see what I'm doing. Okay. And so that looks like a very light. I kind of want to kick it up a little bit. Let's see. There's a color here at the bottom called Ocean Breeze. I'm just gonna kind of throw that in over Jean Shorts to brighten it up a little bit. Yeah. So not do too much, but just to brighten it up a tiny little bit. And I kind of feel like I'm losing a little bit of Lavender Sky on my lid. So I'm just gonna tap some more. And let me take, it's called Dream Catcher, which is this purple right here. I'm just gonna lightly tap that right here to blend these two. So it transitions from a soft purple to a little bit brighter purple to that kind of soft bright blue. Okay. All right, now I'm gonna go ahead and do my eyeliner and be right back. All right, I'm back. So on my lash line for eyeliner, I use the Waterproof Essence Super Last Eyeliner, and I use the Essence Get Big Lashes for my mascara. For my lips, just for like a little bit of color, I used this NYX Butter Gloss in the color Angel Food Cake. For my lower lash line, I just went ahead and used the colors that I had on my lid. So I did use Lavender Sky, Dreamcatcher, and then I used Ocean Breeze on the outer edge. I did not mix jean shorts on the bottom. I just used Ocean Breeze. And then for my inner corner, I put Wink Wink, which is this purple here. And it's just like that. So it's just like a shimmer shade right there in my inner corner. And that is like the spring look that I'm going for today. So it's just like a colorful purple blue spring look. Kind of goes with my shirt and this background, so I guess I'm in that kind of mood today. Go ahead and subscribe so you don't miss any future videos. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and just leave a comment down below showing your support, feedback, weather in your area. Thanks for watching.